Number 1. 1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. It features a sleek black exterior and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck comes with a clean title and is powered by a reliable SBC 350 engine paired with a TH 350 transmission. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs, wires, and a distributor cap installed just last month, along with new tires added last year. The truck also boasts modern upgrades such as a Bluetooth stereo system, new dash speakers, and Memphis 6x9 speakers mounted behind the seat for enhanced audio quality. A fresh window tint was applied a few months ago, and the lighting has been upgraded with LED headlights, LED marker lights, and new taillight lenses. The body shows some minor rust but retains its original paint with no Bondo, spray paint, or shortcut repairs, highlighting its honest condition. Number 2. 1972 Dodge D250, price $10,000, with 126,000 miles, powered by a 400 CI V8 engine and a freshly serviced 727 automatic transmission. Finished in bright red over a clean black interior, it features a straight, solid body with new paint and a roll-in bedliner. It runs on gasoline and rides on brand new Cooper Discoverer tires. The truck has dual fuel tanks, both cleaned and functional, with a new sending unit in the main tank. Recent mechanical updates include a new carburetor, fuel pump, spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor, belts, valve cover and exhaust manifold gaskets, starter, battery, and voltage regulator. A new master cylinder and freshly repacked front bearings improve braking performance. Additional features include a factory AC system that powers on but doesn't blow cold, new window felts, door and vent window seals, wiper motor, washer tank, blades, tailgate bumpers, and links. The doors open and close like new, and the truck starts, shifts, drives, and rides exceptionally well. Number 3. 1981 Ford F100, price $5,500. It is powered by a reliable 300 cubic inch inline-six engine and paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The truck runs, drives, and stops as it should, making it a solid choice for someone looking for a dependable vintage vehicle. With just 97,096 miles on the odometer, it still has plenty of life left. The body and frame are in good condition, showing no signs of major rust or damage. Recent updates include new door panels and window seals, contributing to a refreshed cabin experience. It also features an aftermarket stereo system for improved sound quality, and a tonneau cover adds practicality and protection for the bed. While the rear portion of the bench seat remains in good shape, the front section will need a new seat cover. The truck has been kept smoke-free, adding to its overall cleanliness and appeal. Number 4. 1966 Ford F100, price $6,500. This car is a dependable classic pickup that blends vintage style with modern performance upgrades. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, it stands out with bold character and a timeless look. Under the hood, it has been fitted with an Oldsmobile 350 V8 engine paired to a TH 350 automatic transmission, offering smooth and reliable driving. This truck runs and drives well, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a turnkey classic that's ready to hit the road. While it's not a show truck, it excels as a solid and enjoyable driver that's perfect for cruising or daily use. It runs on gasoline and features an automatic transmission for ease of operation. Number 5. 1976 Ford F150, price $9,000. It comes finished in a clean white exterior paired with a classic blue interior, giving it a timeless and eye-catching look. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong-running 460 cubic inch V8 engine that delivers reliable performance and is paired with an automatic transmission for smooth and easy driving. With 144,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has clearly been enjoyed but remains in good running condition. As a two-wheel drive model originally from Arizona, it benefits from a dry climate and has only minor surface rust, with no major corrosion issues. The body is solid, making it a great candidate for either restoration or continued use as a dependable classic driver. Fueled by gasoline, this F-150 combines power and style, and its XLT Ranger trim level adds a touch of refinement to its tough exterior. Number 6. 1984 GMC K30, price $10,000, with just 64,000 original miles on the odometer. It features a 6.2L diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance for both utility and recreation. The exterior is finished in green, while the interior sports a classic brown color scheme, offering a rugged yet nostalgic appeal. Recently, the truck has received several important updates, including new tires, brakes, exhaust, fuel lines, rear brake lines, and 2 brand new batteries. Additionally, 3 new belts are included with the truck and are ready to be installed. Despite its age, this truck starts every time and runs strong, a testament to its excellent mechanical condition. It has primarily been used for light-duty tasks such as trips to the dump, hunting excursions, and as a backup work truck, showing it has been well cared for without being overworked. Number 7. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000, featuring a vibrant red exterior paired with a clean gray interior. It exudes classic 90s styling with rugged appeal. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission, offering smooth and dependable performance. The truck is equipped with 4x4 capability, making it suitable for both daily driving and off-road use. With only 129,000 miles on the odometer, it has seen relatively low use for its age and has clearly been well taken care of. It runs and drives fantastic with no mechanical issues whatsoever. The body is in excellent shape for its year. There's no rot at all, just some light surface rust in a few areas, which is typical for a vehicle of this era. It has a clean title in hand and runs on gasoline. Number 8. 1980 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500, with 100,000 miles, a manual transmission, yellow exterior, gray interior, and a powerful 454 big block V8. It features an SM465 4-speed transmission, NP205 cast iron transfer case, 4-inch lift, 35-inch mud tires, rear locker, and an 8-foot hydraulic Fisher plow custom fitted to the lift. The rebuilt engine includes Chevelle heads, high-rise intake, 750 carb, dual fuel pumps, gear drive timing, and a 220-amp alternator. It has upgraded brakes, stainless lines, heavy-duty suspension with 6 front and 4 rear shocks, dual steering stabilizers, and a custom rear bumper with a 2-inch hitch, inside are bucket seats with a flip-up console, racing hatch, custom gauges, LED light bar with strobes, power locks, full roll cage, and a new battery. Number 9. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, with 124,000 miles on the odometer. It features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, a powerful and reliable 350 V8 engine that runs on gasoline, and a striking black exterior paired with a clean blue interior. The truck has never been driven in the winter and has undergone significant restoration work, including the complete removal of the cab and bed to clean and repaint the frame. The body has also been freshly repainted in black, giving it a sharp, refreshed look. While it does have a minor rear main seal leak, a common issue with the 350 engine, it has not yet been addressed. However, this is a relatively easy fix. The truck drives and shifts great, with only a few cosmetic imperfections that can be easily touched up. Number 10. 1988 Jeep Comanche, price $7,900. This car is a well-preserved, low-mileage example with just 92,800 miles. Finished in its original gold paint with a classic factory patina, it's powered by a gasoline engine and a smooth-shifting manual transmission. The clutch engages accurately, and all gauges function properly, making it ready to drive and enjoy. The truck has been very well maintained over the years, with a binder full of service records included. The body is completely rot-free, and the undercarriage is immaculate, only light oxidation on the leaf springs and rear axle. The frame is solid, and the overall condition is exceptionally clean for a Jeep of this vintage. Comes with a clean Maryland title in hand.